G'day, I'm here with my good mate Darren Kelly. We're at the D1 NZ Grand Final, and you know, life can get pretty full throttle sometimes. But no matter how smoky it gets, you just keep on drifting downstream, isn't that right, Darren?
Oh yeah, 200 k's.
Hey, sweet, let's do it. Hell fucking yeah, man! About to hit this shit. Woohoo! Not fair. It's like a roller coaster.
It's not right. It's like one place.
Yo! Yo, wow. My mates.